And Curious George loves discovering new things for you and him to do at
The Miami-Dade Police Department has issued Amber Alert for the following counties: Broward, Florida; Fort Lauderdale, Florida; Miami, Florida; West Palm Beach, Florida. Approximately at 4:36 on April 5, 2009, William DAVERSION was kidnapped by an unknown man. William is 10 years old, weighs 410 pounds, has dark black skin, and 51 tall. He was last seen with a Joshua CJ hat, a white Peruvian shirt, and a black Nike pants. The vehicle the suspect had driven is a 2007 black Ford truck and license plate number is V7734. If you have any clues, details, or any useful information, call 911. Thank you for your time. We will return to regular programming.